Yesterday we made it up to 92 in Eugene. That is 10 degrees above average for this time of year and 10 degrees below that record high temperature of 102 degrees yesterday. Here's a look at highs across the rest of the area. It was 90 in Bend, 91 in Corvallis, 93 in Roseburg. Out along the coast, you saw 63 in Newport yesterday and 66 in North Bend. This morning, it's comfortable out there. Hopefully you got a chance to open up your windows overnight, letting in some of that cooler air. Temperatures right now along the coast are in those mid 50s. Corvallis to Cottage Grove, upper 50s, mid 60s though into the Umpqua Basin and into Central Oregon. You're in the upper 50s right now in Bend, Sun River at 47 degrees. Satellite radar showing mostly clear skies inland this morning, but we are looking at some fog and low-lying clouds right along the coast. That's because that marine layer pushed in overnight. It will push offshore over the next couple of hours, and you'll see more sunshine later this morning, early into the afternoon. But bigger picture, what's influencing our area? High pressure is in full control. It's taking that jet stream up to the north into western Canada, and high pressure is centered just to our south there in northern California. It's keeping our weather very quiet out there, mostly clear skies inland as well. And we're already seeing that sunshine out there this morning, a little bit different than what we saw yesterday. Remember, we had those clouds till about 11 o'clock yesterday morning, and now we're already starting off with the clear skies, and that means those temperatures are going to climb quite quickly. Here's a look at Stormcast over the next 24 hours. I'll put things into motion. As you can see, really not much is going to go on throughout the morning. Mostly clear skies inland, that marine layer pushing offshore out along the coast. As we head into this afternoon, into the early evening, still keeping things mostly clear inland, but that marine layer begins to filter back in along the beaches, and then further inland there you can see it moving into Coos County. Otherwise, we'll keep it mostly clear all the way through tonight, but the mostly clear skies tonight should allow us to cool off quite nicely from our hot temperatures we're expecting later today. Along the coast, not so hot though, upper 60s near 70 degrees. A little bit breezy though, with winds gusting around 25 miles per hour. For those in the Umpqua Basin, you're heading into the upper 90s, triple digits in both Roseburg and Myrtle Creek, later today. Here's a look at the Cascades. You're looking at those low 80s over the passes. In the foothills, you're looking at the low 90s. For Central Oregon, getting in the low to mid 90s later today. And for the Willamette Valley, we're looking at those mid to upper 90s. So about 5 degrees warmer than what we saw yesterday and about 15 degrees above where we should be for this time of year. Here's a look at the 7-day forecast along the coast. We'll stay in these mid 60s throughout the next couple of days. That marine layer push again each and every night. More sunshine, though, late in the morning, early afternoon. We do have a slight chance for showers Saturday into Sunday morning. That is only, though, if this system holds together, and right now it's looking fairly weak. Here's a look at the Umpqua Basin. You're looking at warm temperatures for the next 2 days and actually through the rest of the week, but at least towards the weekend, temperatures will be a little bit more comfortable, staying in those mid 80s through the weekend. The Cascades, slight chance for a thunderstorm tomorrow, late afternoon, early evening. We'll stay in those 80s today and tomorrow, and then cool things off into the 60s by Saturday. For the Willamette Valley, upper 90s today, low 90s tomorrow, upper 80s on Thursday, low 80s on Friday. You can see that trend continuing into the weekend, cooling things off back to where we should be for this time of year. A little bit more comfortable, still in those low 80s though. We'll also have a slight chance for showers Saturday night into Sunday morning.